How to sign in to Reddit on PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Reddit account on PC. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser. So once you're searching for the Reddit, just head over to the first link, that is the official website of Reddit. So from over here all you have to do is just click on this login button over here, and basically it will ask you to enter your login credentials. So if you haven't created any account before this, that means you don't have an existing account, just tap on this sign up button over here. So once you tap on this sign up button, it will again ask you to provide your either your email, or you can also continue with your Google address. So I'll just provide it with my email. So once I do that, I'll just simply have to click on continue, and it will send me a verification code to my Gmail. So let me just quickly fill that up. After that, you just have to enter your username and password. So just tap on continue from over here, and you can choose to either save your password or not, and you just have to describe your interest over here just like this, and just click on continue. And just like that, you should have successfully logged in or signed in to your new Reddit account on PC. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.